Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Everyday English Excellence. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. Today, we're going to dive into the versatile verb have and how it's used in English. In this video, we'll go through a series of common sentences. I'll say each sentence, then there will be a pause. During the pause, I want you to repeat the sentence exactly as I said it. Try to mimic the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, let's get started and remember to repeat after me. I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a blue pen. I have a blue pen. She doesn't have any pets. She doesn't have any pets. They have a big family. They have a big family. He doesn't have enough money. He doesn't have enough money. We have a meeting tomorrow. We have a meeting tomorrow. You have a new phone. You have a new phone. The school doesn't have classes on Fridays. The school doesn't have classes on Fridays. My sister and I have the same birthday. My sister and I have the same birthday. We have tickets to the concert. We have tickets to the concert. I have a headache. I have a headache. She doesn't have any siblings. She doesn't have any siblings. She doesn't have time to chat. She doesn't have time to chat. They have a long commute to work. They have a long commute to work. He doesn't have any siblings. He doesn't have any siblings. We have a party next weekend. We have a party next weekend. You have a talent for drawing. You have a talent for drawing. The company doesn't have any job openings. The company doesn't have any job openings. My grandparents have been married for 50 years. My grandparents have been married for 50 years. I have a cold. I have a cold. She doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't have a driver's license. They have a vacation planned. They have a vacation planned. They have a big garden. They have a big garden. He doesn't have a favorite color. He doesn't have a favorite color. We have a lot of homework tonight. We have a lot of homework tonight. You have a good sense of humor. You have a good sense of humor. The museum doesn't have guided tours. The museum doesn't have guided tours. My brother and I have the same taste in music. My brother and I have the same taste in music. I have a dentist appointment next week. I have a dentist appointment next week. She doesn't have any allergies. She doesn't have any allergies. They have a movie night every Friday. They have a movie night every Friday. He doesn't have any regrets. He doesn't have any regrets. We have a reservation at the restaurant. We have a reservation at the restaurant. He doesn't have much time. He doesn't have much time. You have a green thumb when it comes to gardening. You have a green thumb when it comes to gardening. I have a craving for pizza. I have a craving for pizza. She doesn't have a fear of heights. She doesn't have a fear of heights. They have a passion for travel. They have a passion for travel. He doesn't have any hobbies. He doesn't have any hobbies. We have a tradition of baking cookies for Christmas. We have a tradition of baking cookies for Christmas. We have a lot of homework. We have a lot of homework. You have a nice smile. You have a nice smile. The team doesn't have any games this weekend. The team doesn't have any games this weekend. My parents have a lovely home. My parents have a lovely home. The store doesn't have the item I need. The store doesn't have the item I need. We have a good chance of winning. We have a good chance of winning. Great job, everyone. Remember, the key to mastering English is consistent practice. Try to listen to this video daily to improve your English skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy learning.